Hi guys, welcome to Kelo TV where we teach how to do things, how to create game, how to do many things, how to earn money online and so on. So what you are watching here is my AdMob earnings. Okay, so I have a game which I have published. So you guys should please pay close attention. So these are my game. I'm going to put down the link of my game so that you check it out, and don't forget, if you're installing my game, I'm promising you I'm going to also teach you how to create the same game app and also an application for live score. So especially this particular one, you can see football live score. So once you watch this my video, comment if you need this, and I'm going to teach you how you can design your own in a different way. I have the code which I purchased from someone. I paid around 5,000 naira here in Nigeria. That is almost up to $25 or $30 somehow. So I paid, but for you watching this video is an advantage for you. I'm going to give you this code for free. But first, let me know who am I giving this code for free, because I need to see you replying that you need the code. I promise you I'm going to do another video and I'm going to drop the code for this app, and I'm going to also do the screenshot of this app as well for you. You see everything working fine and you can monetize, and I'm going to guide you do your own game in a unique way, change everything I'm going to teach you, and with that you're good to go. You publish it in any app store like Amazon or Google Play App Store. Especially if you want to earn quick and you are serious about it, I'd advise you publish your game on Google App Store. And to publish your game on Google App Store, what you need is $25 once payment. You won't be paying monthly or yearly. Once you pay $25, you can upload as many as possible games you can upload. So that is their downtime payment, $25. So you convert it to your money, or to convert the dollar into your own currency. You see that is not too much money somehow. I think here it's about 30 or 30 something dollars. So once you pay that, you're good to go. You check out on YouTube, you're going to see how to upload the game. Once you pay that, and I promise you, you upload this my game there, you're going to get a lot of traffic, because Google App Store is a place sometimes you don't need to advertise your game. Publishers, users are everywhere. So millions of people coming in every day, checking on football news and live score and the rest. So I promise you this video is for you who are ready to take advantage. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you commenting how you want to also make this kind of money. That is why I don't want to collect any pin from anybody because of this, and I'm going to teach you the reality how it works. So if you're ready, please comment and let me know, and I'll do another video. Or if I don't want to do another video, I can pin my comment on this particular video where I will put the link for you to download. So I will be here seeing who want to take the advantage for free. I paid money and I'm giving you for free. So imagine that. Yes, I paid for something and it was given to me, and I'm here giving it for you for free. So if you're a serious someone, kindly make use of this advantage. Thank you so much. Don't forget always to share, because my video is all about trying to give you guidance, help, how tips on how you move forward and so on. And don't forget to subscribe, share on your social media. Thank you so much. Bye.